So since the iPhone 17 series is here, we are going to be checking out the Casekoo cases, specifically for the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. I have collaborated with Casekoo in the past, and I've remembered that they have cute and amazing cases. I'm super stoked about the Cosmic Orange, but you know, if you're a person like me that buys a gazillion of cases, finding the right match of the color of the iPhone is a bit challenging. Casekoo's cases might be able to match these colors, and I'm super excited to check it out. They are known to be lightweight yet durable, and it is also MagSafe. So if you are eyeing for the deep blue and the Cosmic Orange, then this is the case that you've been waiting for. So we have the Cosmic Orange here, right in here, and this is available for only iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. So we have the orange, we have the blue. So I just want to show you that on Amazon if you want to check it out. So here is the two cases right here for those two new colored iPhone. Let's start with this one right here. Meet the Power Ring by Casekoo. A circle of emotion and innovation. Casekoo matched the iPhone colors. First, we have the Titanium Magic Stand 360 in Cosmic Orange. Perfect. Plated with a polished Cosmic Orange finish. The titanium frame shines with luxurious brightness, offering a refined look that's both stylish and durable. Made with imported TPE and Crisp Gel 2.0, this case stays crystal clear and UV resistant, showcasing your iPhone's design while preventing yellowing over time. This is the next one, and you guessed it, it's for the official blue iPhone. This looks good. The Matte Magic Stand 360 in deep blue. It is designed with a premium nubuck texture frame that enhances grip comfort while being eco-friendly. Take note that this is a texture effect, not an actual nubuck material. Advanced 360 AirPad inside delivers all-around shock absorption for next level drop protection, giving your iPhone a secure premium feel in hand. It has a semi-transparent matte frosted back with an anti-smudge coating and ion tech, keeping it clean, smooth, and premium while letting the iPhone's color shine through. Now, what's cool about this cases is it offers 360 degrees rotation with a ring adjustable up to 170 degrees horizontally and vertically, making easy to find the perfect angle for watching videos, taking photos, or hands-free calls. The ring also doubles as a secure grip, replacing traditional pop sockets. Unlike other cases that has a wide open cutout right here in the camera area, semi-covered lens frame is built to guard your camera with reinforced stability. The 2.5mm raised edge and a tri-layer corner design gives your iPhone an extra armor protecting both lens and screen while keeping the frame rock solid under pressure. Perfectly crafted for the new iPhone models, which is for the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And it precisely fits the device, solving two key needs: a case that mirrors your phone's look and ensures seamless compatibility from day one. The back panel is crafted from a durable, hard polycarbonate with a nano anti-static coating, delivering a smooth, silk-like touch that resists lint and keeps the case looking clean and refined. So every year I mention how much I love vibrant colored cases, and Casekoo really nails it. So their cases matches the iPhone 17 colors perfectly, which is something I'm obsessed with. Engineered for a flawless fit with the iPhone 17, every button, port, and feature lines up perfectly. I've been using it since my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hands down the most reliable case I've had. So the colors of these Casekoo cases looks exactly the same as the new colored iPhone that was just released, and matching the iPhone with its cases would look aesthetically pleasing. So let's try the MagSafe on this case if it really delivers. It's pretty good. The perfect style and protection makes Casekoo's case the perfect case for you. This is the orange, cosmic orange, and this is the deep blue for the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but you can check the Amazon link down in the description for additional models. Casekoo is now running a limited time sale up to 30% off site-wide. Don't miss out and grab yours today. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like these cases. I will be linking everything down in the description box. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on the iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing. Bye!